Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Solana, in every practical sense, is a highest-level cryptographic money at present valued at $129.95 that has a place with the class of mintable coins, with a market capitalization of $57,477,524,512 in an exceptionally significant manner. Over the very past genuinely couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Solana, laid out an extremely impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms. Forks, which essentially is very huge. A few institutional financial backers even especially consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and brokers for the most part are by and large keen on digital currencies, essentially, for example, Sol, since this certainly is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources really have the, in every practical sense, potential for 100x to 1000x. Increases in a generally sort of brief time frame in an in every practical sense significant way. These profits are truly unreachable in genuinely different business sectors, which generally is the motivation behind why undoubtedly moderate financial backers are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Solana, while the groundbreaking ones sort of give a critical piece of their fundamentally money to this quickly creating resource class. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Solana to the level at $129.95, where it at present for the most part sits in an unobtrusive manner. As currently referenced, Sol sort of is a highest level cryptographic money since it by possesses the 5th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the metric that not set in stone by duplicating the exceptionally current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, or so they generally thought. On account of Solana, the market capitalization remains at $57,477,524,512. The significance of this boundary will in a real sense be made sense of later in a significant manner. Our cost expectation calculation in every practical sense is planned in essentially such a way that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to by and large furniture supporters with the most reliable data on the sort of present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently for the most part survey the condition of their portfolio and truly choose whether or not it generally needs to in a real sense be reconfigured in an unobtrusive manner. Our calculation likewise really focuses on authentic information, which by and large is entirely fundamental for the especially right assessment of both in every practical sense, current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its actual present and future course, or so they truly thought. Underneath you will by and large find key selections of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could generally have a comprehension of where the Solana market essentially is going in an exceptionally significant manner. Yesterday on Walk 3, Sol generally was esteemed at $129.63 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings most. Certainly recollect that digital currencies truly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a genuinely significant manner. The cost change rate-wise over the express period generally added up to 0.18%, showing how very retail financial backers and merchants fundamentally are genuinely keen on digital currencies for example. Sol, since this basically is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources by and large have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a somewhat in every practical sense brief time frame, which truly is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on February 26, Solana basically was exchanged at $103.45 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its current position, which truly is very critical. On February 4, which by and large was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Sol at $144, the cost level that for the most part is at the distance of 29.38% from where it at present sort of stands in a for the most part significant manner. The cost of Sol and the readings of CVIX in every practical sense are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market capitalization basically is another significant truly metric that assists traders within a real sense deciding the ubiquity of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. It's likewise used to really survey the offer that Solana explicitly holds inside the, for the most part, whole cryptographic money market. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization really is somewhat straightforward. The flowing stockpile of the cash being referred to fundamentally is increased by its ongoing cost. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of SOL essentially remains at $57,477,524,512, enough to name it the fifth kind of the biggest coin on the digital money market in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday on Walk 3, the market capitalization of Solana certainly remained at $57,401, $883,643 in spite of prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on February 26, the capitalization of SOL sort of was $45,631,391,775, or so they generally thought. A month prior, on February 4, how much essentially capital streaming around this truly specific market generally added up to $43,789,388,704, which sort of is very huge. Most digital currency financial backers truly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an especially certain cryptographic money and its capacity to by and large endure disturbances, which are the fundamentally normal event on this exceptionally unstable market. The very all-out supply of SOL right now especially remains at 571s of 42,968 coins, which basically is genuinely critical. The coursing supply of the digital money under survey basically is 442,316,911 SOL, so yesterday on Walk 3, the market capitalization of Solana most certainly remained at $57. 401,883,643, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. This Solana cost forecast wouldn't sort of be especially finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the fundamentally metric utilized by essentially all digital currency dealers to in a real sense affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in a sort of large manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain in a real sense is happening on the rear of the genuinely low exchanging volume, there most certainly is an extremely high likelihood that this move explicitly is unreasonable and would explicitly bring about a bullish snare, which truly is genuinely critical. Consequently, it's vital to generally examine the sort of past and the by and large current exchanging volume of SOL request to explicitly comprehend whether this market has a basic strength in a quite huge manner. Over the especially beyond 24 hours, the 24 hours